We are going to start TBA2 review. Review for TBA2. Question number 1 here is the place value of the digit 4 in the decimal notation 85.347 is after point the first digit is 10th, second digit is 100th. As 4 is the second digit, 4 is the second digit, then 4 the place value of the 4 will be 100th. 100th. Now, question number 2. The word name for the decimal notation. Here in this decimal notation, 1 in words we need to write 1 point we can write end 1 end 52 as after point there are 2 digits, that is 100. One and 52 hundredth. Question number 3 is the expanded form for the decimal notation. In expanded form, here before point this is ones, this tens, 2 ones, 3 tens, 3 tens will be 30, plus after point 6 tenth, 6 tenth, 0.6, 900th, that will be 0.09. In this way you can write, or you can write like this: 3 tens plus 2 ones plus 6 tenth plus 9 hundredth, like this. Now, question 4. The decimal notation for 2 ones, 9 tenth, 2 thousandth. Here, 2 ones. 9 tenth. Tenth will be after point. Then 9 tenth. After tenth, there must be hundredth. As there is no hundredth, means 0 hundredth. Then 2000th. 2000th. Here answer will be 2.902. Question number 5 is round to the nearest tenth. As tenth after point the first digit is tenth. We need to delete the digit after tenth. This hundredth and thousand we need to delete. We will check the digit hundredth. After tenth as the digit is hundredth, that is 6. If this digit is in upper bound, mean 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the lower bound, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in the upper bound. As this is 6 in the upper bound, then we need add 1 here plus 1. Now here answer will be 63.0 plus 1 is 1. In the nearest tenth, this number is 63.1. Question number 6. Convert 12.18 to the fraction in its simplest form. As 12 is before the point, that is the whole number. 12 as it is, this decimal number we need convert into the fraction. Instead of decimal, we need write here 1. After decimal 2 digits, we need write 2 zeros. Then decimal we can delete. Now this decimal finished, it will be only 18. 12 whole 18 divided by 100. Now we need simplify. Here the common factor of 18 and 100 is 2. We can divide by 2 each numerator and denominator. Now this 12 Sam, 18 divided by 2 is 9 and 100 divided by 2 will be 50. Here the correct answer is 12 whole 9 divided by 50. Question 7 is the decimal notation of the below figure is shaded. First of all, we can write in the fraction, then we can change to the decimal number. Is here 3 blocks are shaded. And how many total blocks? Total are 12. Directly we can convert to the decimal notation, or first we can simplify, then we can write into the decimal number. If we are going to simplify, here we can divide by 3 each numerator and denominator. In the numerator, when we'll divide by 3, 3 divided by 3, 1, and here 12 divided by 3 will be 4. This is 1 divided by 4 in decimal notation will be 0.25, like this. Now, question number 8, change 7 all 3 divided by 5 to the decimal notation. As 7 is a whole number, 7 no need to change. And the fraction, this proper fraction 3 by 5, we need change to the decimal number. 3 divided by 5. As 3 is small, then we can write here point and here 0. How many 5s? 30. 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 30 will be 0. As 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. 7 as it is, and 3 by 5 is 0.6. Then answer will be 7.6. Next is question number 9. In question 9, multiply. We are going to multiply this 6 with 8, 48. 8 here, 4 carry to the next number. Now 6 multiply 4, 24. Plus this 4 will be 28. Now we need multiply the digit at the tens place. That is also 6. This 6 we will multiply with 8. As 6 is at 10 place, here this the ones place, we need write 0. 6 multiply 8, 48. 8 here, 4 carry to the next number. Now 6 multiply 4. 6 multiply 4, 24. Plus this 4 will be 28. Now we need plus. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 8, 16, 6. 1 up. Here 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 8, 11. 1 here, 1 carry to the next number. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we need to write decimal notation. As in the question, after each decimal notation, there is 1 digit. As a whole, 2 digit after decimal. And here we need to write the decimal. Here after decimal must be 2 digits in the answer as well. Question number 10 is divide 54 divided by 0.01. In your book, you studied multiply or divide with the 10 raised to the power. Mean 10, 54 multiply or divide by 10. Divide 100, divide 1000, like that. Okay, but here is 0.01. First, we can convert into that form. This 54 as it is. Divide, we can change to multiply. Divide, change to multiply. Then at the place of decimal number, we can write 1. After decimal, there are 2 digits. We can write here 2 zeros. Now it's easy to multiply. 54 multiply 100, that will be 5000. 400. This will be the answer. Now question 11. How many fluidons are there in 3 pens? You know, fluidons, then cup, and then pen. This is the order. In 1 cup, there are 8 fluidons. And in 1 pen, there are 2 cups. As pent is the bigger unit and fluidons is the smaller. That's why we need multiply. As there are 3 pens, 3, and pen to cup multiply by 2, cup to fluidons multiply by 8. This multiply 2, multiply 8. That will be 3 multiply to 6, 6 multiply 8, 48 fluid ounce. This is the answer. Now, question number 12 is, how many yards are there in 2 miles? In 1 mile, 1,760 yards. This is the unit conversion of mile and yards. 1 mile, 1,760 yards. Then in 2 miles, 1,760 multiply by 2. That will be 2 into 0, 0, 2, 6 are 12, 2 here, 1 up, 2, 7, 14, and 1, 15, 5, 1 carry. The next number, 2 into 1, 2, plus 1, 3. 3,520 yards in 2 miles. This yards. This is the answer. Now, question number 13 is the appropriate metric unit to measure the weight of a person. In metric unit, the kilogram is the unit that we are using to measure the weight of a person. Kilogram, kg. If there will be the customary system, US system. In US system, we are using pound. Or you can write LB. Okay, this is US unit to measure the weight of a person. But in metric system, kilogram is the unit to measure the weight of a person. Here our answer is kilogram. Now question 14 is appropriate US unit to measure the size of paper. Size of paper in US unit, we are using inch. Inch is the appropriate US unit to measure the size of a paper. Now, fill in the blank. 4,000 lb is this pound, okay? How many TT is for ton? Mean in 4,000 pound, how many ton? You know, 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. 1 ton, 2,000 pound. Then 4,000 pound, how many ton? 4,000 divided by 2,000. Okay, as we are converting from pound to ton, we need to divide. 4,000 divided by 2,000 will be equal to 2 ton. This is the answer. Here will be 2 ton. Question number 16. How many milliliters are there in 5 liters? You know, in 1 liter, there will be 1,000 milliliter. 1 liter, 1,000 milliliter. Then in 5 liter, 5 multiply 1000, that will be equal to 5000 milliliter. Question 17 is change 2 feet 3 inches into the inches. First, we need to change this 2 feet into inches. You know, in 1 foot, there are 12 inches. This 2 multiply 12. This is in inches. Plus this 3 already in inches. This no need change. This 3 already in inches. Now answer here will be 2 multiply 12, 24. Plus this 3 will be 27 inches. This is the answer. Question 18 is change 250 milliliters to cubic centimeter. You know, milliliter and cubic centimeters are equal. Okay, 1 milliliter equal to 1 cubic centimeter. Then 250 milliliter will be equal to 250 cubic centimeter. cc or cubic centimeter, like this you can write. Okay, cc also cubic centimeter, the centimeter cube, both are correct. Now question 19. How many pents are there in 32 fluid ounce? Is the small unit to measure the capacity in American system is the fluid ounce, then cup, then pint. How many pints in 32 fluid ounce? Fluid ounce to cup 8. In 1 cup 8 fluid ounce, and in 1 pint there will be 2 cups. As fluid ounce to cup we need to divide. Then cup to pint again we need to divide by 2. Here 32 fluid ounce to cup divide by 8. Cup to pint divide by 2. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 4 divided by 2 will be 2 pints. This is the answer. Now question number 20 is 24 quarts of oil is equivalent to how many gallons? You know, 1 gallon will be equal to 4 quarts. 1 gallon equal to 4 quarts. Okay, then 24 quarts of oil will be how many gallons? 24 divided by 4. That will be equal to 6 gallons. This is the answer.